how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is go into your Safari. Now from here you have to go in the Apple developer. From here you have to go in the account, and here you have to add your Apple ID. So once you add this, you have to go and make sure that you are using the latest iOS 18 version of your Apple. And after that, to check out this, you have to go back and go into your phone settings. From here you have to go in the general, and here is the option of the software update. You have to click on it. Now from here you have the option of the beta updates, and from here you have to make sure that the iOS 18 developer beta is available into your Apple ID. And after that, to fix the applications, for that you have to go into your App Store. Now from here you have to go in the search and click on the search bar, and here you have to search for the Apple developer. Now this is the new application that the Apple gives you, and here you have to simply open this application and add your account. And after that, you are able to fix all of your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.